The Acer Nitro V16 gaming laptop is built for serious gamers, creators, and multitaskers who demand top-tier performance in a sleek, professional package. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this laptop in the description below at the latest price. With a stunning 16-inch WUXGA IPS display running at a buttery-smooth 165Hz refresh rate, this machine is made to deliver immersive visuals, fast-paced gameplay, and crystal-clear clarity for both entertainment and productivity. At the heart of the Nitro V16 is the latest AMD Zen 4 Octa-Core Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, outperforming even Intel's i7-12700H in many real-world tasks. Backed by an impressive 32GB of RAM, this laptop effortlessly handles demanding games, large creative projects, and intense multitasking sessions without lag. Whether you're streaming, editing, or diving into AAA titles, everything runs with precision and speed. And with 2 TB of SSD storage, you'll never run out of room for games, files, and media. While also benefiting from lightning-fast boot and load times. Graphics are powered by the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 with 8GB of VRAM, enabling ray-traced visuals, high frame rates, and future-ready performance. This setup ensures you can crank up the settings on modern titles and still enjoy fluid gameplay. The Nitro V16 also features a full-size backlit keyboard, delivering a premium typing and gaming experience even in low-light conditions. Audio is enhanced with DTSX Ultra technology, providing immersive sound whether you're wearing headphones or using built-in speakers. In terms of connectivity, the Nitro V16 covers all bases. You'll get 2 USB A 3.2 ports, 1 USB-C, HDMI 2.1 for 4K external displays, and an RJ45 Ethernet port for low-latency online gaming. It runs on Windows 11 Home, bringing you the latest in productivity, security, and gaming features. Additional features like AI noise reduction, a high-quality webcam, and bundled accessories such as an HDMI cable, USB-C adapter, and even an Spock skin make it a complete out-of-the-box experience. With a 4.8-star rating and praise for its power and value, the Acer Nitro V16 stands out as a high-performance laptop tailored for modern gamers and professionals alike. If you're looking for a system that blends speed, power, and design, this is a machine that delivers across the board.